Coming from Bihar, the first time I heard about mandis was in Hyderabad. Now guys, along with biryani, which is very popular here, mandis has been catching the eyes of people for a couple of years back, and till now it has become increasingly popular. So guys, we have come to this place called Naaz Mandi, and it serves amazing mandis, and let's see what we have here. So guys, this is the first time I'm trying any mandi, and as every newcomer, I'm also very curious about it. So what I did was, got in touch with Lakshmikant Garu from Naaz Mandi, and I heard that they serve really exotic mandis. So hi guys, this is Ankita from HyBiz Tv, and today, as I said, we have Lakshmikant Garu from Naaz Mandi. So hi Lakshmikant Garu, how are you doing?
Hello, good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Okay.
So can you tell us about the story behind Naaz Mandi?
Actually, after COVID, previously I am from medical equipment background, and in the fashion, I want to try the restaurant business. So that's the reason we have an office too in Dubai earlier. So we used to travel a lot to Saudi and Dubai. There we tried a lot of mandis. In that experience, and I want to bring the good taste to Hyderabad. That's the reason we have started this mandi business. Where though we are very new into this business, we have taken the challenge and we have started in 2021 March.
Oh wow, that's fairly new.
Yeah.
And congratulations for
Thank
taking
you.
a leap from medical equipment into this.
Yeah,
which
because this courage is fashion
yeah.
toward the restaurant business, the
Yeah.
food business. So
Yeah.
because this now because of the choosing the mandis, now the trending is towards mandi.
Yeah.
All the Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So biryani from many years it is there.
Yeah.
Now people got diverting to biryani, some other flavors. Their mandi got stuck, heated in the market.
Yeah.
That's the reason we have started, and we are good customers feedback. We have been maintaining the good quality, the good experience to our customers, quality ingredients.
Yeah.
So everything is supported, and the time also supported.
Yeah.
So I've been going forward.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
So can you briefly explain us what mandi is about?
Yeah, so mandi is different than biryani.
Okay.
Mandi will cook separate rice
Okay.
and separate pieces,
Okay.
and biryani will cook together.
Okay.
So biryani contains lot of masalas. Mandi will not have any masalas.
Okay.
Mandi have only rice
Okay.
with different masalas along with the rice. Like it kind of bagara rice, but it's not a bagara rice. It's a separate flavor.
Okay.
That's the reason. Then the customer will have a lot of choices. We have a 99 varieties of mandis
Wow.
in veg, non-veg. So we are very famous in veg mandis. Even though in city, I don't think veg mandi is not available.
Yeah, usually actually people
Yeah.
relate mandis to
Yeah.
non-vegetarians.
So, but we are offering a lot of veg mandis, almost 25 varieties in veg mandis.
Wow.
So we do have mandi, chicken, mutton, Chinese, tandooris.
Okay.
But usually we serve from 1 people to 10 people.
Okay.
So 1 people can buy one single mandi.
Okay.
We have a mixed mandi for 8 people.
Okay.
All put together, they can sit and they can have in one plate
Okay.
for 8 people. The concept, the mandi concept is to eat togetherness. Because nowadays everybody is busy in their life.
Yeah.
So that's the reason. It's all friends or everybody is coming there and sitting in one plate,
Yeah.
eating it. It's closely the bonding.
So guys, the togetherness shows in their ambience, because the seating is such, you got to sit down along with other people and have it. So does in Arabian countries the same concept occurs?
Same
or
concept. Same concept.
It's the same concept?
Same concept.
Oh wow.
But they can't eat, they'll not have this type of tables.
Okay.
For Indian people, they can't reach this. That's the reason we modified these tables.
Okay. It's pretty brilliant. And what
Yeah.
are some of your favorite flavors?
Here is mutton is our favorite.
Okay.
We have a unique dish like a mutton juicy, mutton masala and chicken masala. I don't think nowhere in Hyderabad will get this dish.
Okay, I haven't heard of
Yeah.
that. Yeah. So do you want to say something to our Telugu folks? In Telugu maybe if you want.
అదే అండి ఇప్పుడు మేము నాజ్ మండి నాన్ వెజే కాదు వెజ్ కూడా చాలా వెరైటీస్ ఇస్తున్నాము విత్ గుడ్ క్వాలిటీ. అండ్ మీకు మా దగ్గరకు వచ్చిన నాన్ వెజ్ కస్టమర్స్ 50% ఉంటారు, వెజ్ కస్టమర్స్ 50% ఉంటారు. దాంట్లో కస్టమర్కి ఏది కావాలంటే అది వెజ్ ఇస్తాం. సో యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎంజాయ్ ద ఫుడ్ ఇన్ నాజ్ మండి.
So thank you so much guys. Come here and enjoy the food as Lakshmikant Garu just said. And you guys also going to love this, innovative, exciting menu that these guys have, like 99 items. It's super duper. So do come here.
Yeah, thank you Andy. We are coming with another 2 branches. One is in road number 12 Banjara Hills, another was in Madinagoda, and the third one maybe in after 3 months in Nagol. Thank you.
So how many branches do you have?
Right now we have 2 branches. Okay. One is in here and another one is Gachibowli. Why?
Why Naaz?
Why name you are asking?
Name.
It's a similarness. So okay. Naaz is the Arabic word. It's a pride.
Okay.
The meaning is pride.
Yeah.
So I say that it's a Naaz.
I think in India also we say that we have like Naaz about this
Naaz
thing.
about. This is the mutton complimentary soup.
Okay.
Each and every customer first they'll come and we serve the soup.
Okay.
This is very famous. There is the one actor Banu Chandran. He stays in Chennai.
Okay.
And he love our soup.
Achha.
So he'll order us.
Okay.
These take only soup.
Wow.
That famous it is.
Let me try this.
You can try.
It's very, very yum. Very light on the stomach.
Very light,
also.
yeah. Let me try Chinese lollipop. No? Yes.
Nice.
This is a lollipop.
Okay.
It is very famous here.
Okay.
So we have a different recipe in this.
So I thought that we only get Arabian food here, but Chinese bhi hai yahan pe. So let's try this, the lollipop. Very good.
This is the chicken majestic, and this is the dragon chicken.
Dragon chicken and chicken majesty. Very, very, very different flavor. Too good, guys.
This is the tangdi kebab. This is tandoori chicken. Yes, try it, madam.
So guys, we have on a platter tangdi kebab and tandoori chicken. Each of your flavor is very different from one another.
You can try the chutney.
Okay. So good, guys. My face tells it all. And we got to have it with a chutney.
Now coming to mandi. Okay. This is for single person.
Okay.
This is the mutton. Okay. We called mutton Arabian.
Okay.
This is the true authentic Arabian flavor. And in this we served chicken, veg, tandoori, whatever the customer likes.
Okay.
We can give lot of options to customer. So this is the chicken mutton mandi, and this is our one of the favorite dish.
Okay.
And familiar
Okay.
here. This is the chicken paham.
This is for 2 people.
2 people. Paham mandi. This is sufficient for 2 people.
Okay.
Even though chicken also.
Okay.
Not rice. Chicken also sufficient.
Okay.
And this is the mutton. This is the unique dish. Mutton juicy.
Okay.
It's made by kaju paste and all spices. And with the tender mutton pieces.
Okay.
This is served for 3 people.
Okay.
Yes, you can try.
So guys, we are celebrating togetherness because we finally come down to the mandis. This is for 1 person, 2 person, 3 person. And so let's start with that.
Actually, they don't try with the spoon.
That's for visual.
You take this gravy. See that mutton piece, how tender it is.
Yeah, it's very soft.
So usually mutton will not. We need to push the fingers and take the out.
Okay.
So this is.
Usually we don't find such, soft mutton.
Soft mutton.
Yeah. Very nice, guys. Different taste, totally unique. And as Sir said, like, Lakshmikant Garu said, we have cashew paste, we have a lot of blend of spices. I don't know, it's very soft and tender. You guys should come and have. It's going to be an authentic personal experience.
This is the paham mandi.
Okay.
This piece you try with our mayonnaise.
Okay.
This is the piece we marinate and we like grill.
Okay. This is a very unique combination because usually we don't have it like that. Whatever you are, non-veg, veg, जो भी आपको पसंद है, mutton, chicken, vegetarian, please do come here and have it. The food is awesome.
This is the mutton Arabian piece.
This is so soft. Very, very soft. And what are these chutneys?
This is the tomato chutney.
Okay.
And this is the chicken gravy. a good
Very
combination.
Yeah, very
Both
good.
are good combination. And
Can we both have food together?
yeah.
Let's just join in.
This is the Arabian special kunafa.
Okay.
So this is where make fresh cream,
Okay.
and there's the dough. So some separate like penny like that dough.
What do you have here?
This is the sugar syrup.
Acha. Too good, guys. It melts in your mouth. I love it.
I hope you enjoyed our food
Yeah, very, very nice.
experience.
Thank you so much.